did. This is what happiness looks like right here. Okay, on second thought, we will forego getting drenched. Well, even more anyway.
Yeah.
Some ponchos.
Yes.
You look very nice in your poncho, by the way.
Thank you.
Very stylish.
So we decided what we're going to do in the meantime is we did see a place coming in that sells cookies. So what do you do when it rains in Mexico?
Go have cookies.
Toma galletas.
And just like that, we're staying relatively dry.
Ah.
Relatively. Hey, make the most of it, right? That's why I'm driving.
I'm more speed, it's more technical driving.
Alright.
In other words, I'm a better driver.
But sometimes you need speed, right? That complements each other.
Thank you.
Exactly.
Did you hear that?
Well, I can do speed and finesse.
Look who ended up getting to drive.
Again, I'm a better driver. To a degree, I think maybe we chose a decent day to be here. With it being rainy today, I'm sure there are far fewer people who chose to come here today.
And I'm hoping that we do this again so I can drive.
Although off camera she said, "I'm so glad you're driving."
I did not.
Yes, you did.
Okay, maybe. Oh. Can you drive a little bit smoother, honey? I definitely should have been the one driving. Oh! Oh, your back is definitely not going to like this.
You know, this actually reminds me of the roads in Tulum. Hope we don't tip over.
You having fun?
Sure. Okay, it died on us. Oh, we're back up and running.
It was super fun.
Pretty bumpy, for sure.
Very bumpy. It went super fast though. It seemed like we were done in like 10 minutes and it said it's supposed to be 25 minutes long.
It's either they are really slow, we are very fast, or maybe a little bit of both. Yeah, it was enjoyable, but to Kathy's point, wow, before you know it, you're done. When you're in the area, you gotta stop and do this. This was a lot of fun. Thank you.
Thank you guys, thank you.